The reason that affiliate marketing course that you took failed you, it's not you. And the reason why is this. In this short 5-minute video, I'm going to reveal to you exactly step by step behind the scenes what is the reason and why you have failed and lost money with your previous courses on ClickBank affiliate marketing, maybe high ticket affiliate marketing programs out there. Now, I'm speaking from personal experience, okay? I have been traveled to 70 countries thanks to being super affiliate. And in my past, of course, I have also had lots of failures. And one of the major mistakes that I would change if I could start like over again would get someone who can actually help me personally, one-on-one, step by step, by hand holding me. And the reason why I'm saying this is because if you're buying courses, the truth is that most of the courses, if not all, are outdated. Okay, when creator made a course, the strategy or method used to work really, really well. Maybe that was in 2019 and 18 when Facebook Pixel was really, really great. And lots of people become millionaires, yes, millionaires online in that year because of Facebook Pixel. Okay, that was the real truth. That was the real ad, leverage, we call it. Okay, an edge online. Now, in 2026, as you watch this video, yes, it's still possible to make money online with affiliate marketing, with ClickBank, with CPA offers, with high ticket, with low ticket, doesn't matter. It's all doable. But what you need is exact psychology of ads, okay, structure of ads, and someone who can actually help you one-on-one, step by step along the way. Why? Because truth be told, when you're buying courses online, okay, tell me when I'm telling lies. Tell me when I'm telling lies. Listen to me closely, please. Most of the courses are copy and paste templates. Okay, the course creator is selling you the same copy and paste templates that work that are given out to thousands of other people who are buying the same course just like you. That's like going to a doctor, okay, with a disease, and doctor would pass you out, would give you out the same kind of pill that other people are getting. I mean, it's also dangerous and you could die from that potentially, right? Same thing here with affiliate marketing or any other coaching courses out there, right? It has to be personalized to your needs and desires, okay? Because not we are not all the same kind of people, right? And what works for someone else, it could work even better or not as much good as for somebody else, as for you, for example, right? So as you watch this video, yes, it's still possible to make money online, but you have to get this. You need to have someone who can help you step by step, one-on-one along the way to give you the exact website or advertorial that actually converts, that's actually compliant. So you don't have any issue with Google pay-per-click ad accounts, with YouTube ad accounts, with Meta ads, right? It's compliant. Like for example, my previous video, you see, I have made over 35,000 US dollars, okay, in less than a month with promoting with ClickBank offer or with sleep and wellness product. Okay, now not to brag, but to show you what is possible once you take affiliate marketing seriously in 2026, and you actually have someone who can guide you and hand holding you along the way, so you can actually build and have access to sustainable income online. All right. Yes, it's still doable if you have at least 20 to 30 minutes per day. Because truth be told, once you have, okay, once you have your website up and running, your ad campaign on Google pay-per-click ads running, then you finally be able to spend 20 to 30 minutes per day managing that campaign. Now, you don't have to do it all alone. You don't have to learn this all yourself alone. Okay. Once I work with someone, with one of my clients, my students, we do it one-on-one over the Zoom call, get the templates, get everything up and running, because there are tons of niches out there that are profitable that I could possibly not do it myself. Even if I have 24 hours a day and you give me 25 niches, I cannot do it myself. So that's why I'm also helping others grow online. Okay, but you do need to understand it's not about courses, it's about personal relationship with someone who can actually help you as a human being, not AI chatbot. Because most of gurus online, they give you some templates, they give you some AI chatbot, and then you're left with nothing else, and you are stuck, you're losing money, your ad accounts get shut down, and you're wondering what is this BS about. So that's the truth. Yes, you can still make money, it's still possible to make money online in 2026, as long as you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step. So as you watch this video, if you're still serious, if you're action taker, if you're not excuse maker and you actually want results, you can connect with me one-on-one. There's my WhatsApp number, yes, my true cell phone number, my email, my Facebook Messenger, okay, and Instagram, where you can connect with me one-on-one. As I mentioned before, if you remember, I traveled to 70 countries, 70, okay, 70 countries, thanks to affiliate marketing, thanks to promoting faceless offers online, okay, meaning without showing my face, without having to make any videos, by promoting products, physical and digital products online with paid ads, with paid traffic, okay. So as long as you're serious, as long as you're someone who is smart, who actually wants leverage in 2026, who knows there is something more in life than working just 9 to 5, scrapping, paying the bills and getting by, okay, yes, it's still possible. Let me know. All the links are in